Welcome to GIJO Gadgets Collection. Today we'll unboxing another parcel of the Cinewoop drone. Okay, in view of the coronavirus that in Wuhan is quite dangerous, so as a precaution, it is just a step of prevention from spreading this virus. Okay. So I gotta prepare myself wearing a mask. And then probably it's good to use plastic. I don't have hand glove. And I prepared this alcohol pad. Okay. So this is the parcel, and it's from China. I have no idea which part of China. Okay, first of all, I'll be using a alcohol pad just to wipe. Okay, and I'll open it. Two packets here. Same time. So this is the Cinewoop. Okay. Now, this is not a reptile, but it's a CLOUD-149. It's in the copy version. Okay. So I think it's good just to wipe another. Well, I think this is funny, but just to prevent. So we have a drone here with a sponge and with this VTX antenna, and what do you call this? A battery Velcro strap, and then also a sticker, and then 4 extra probes. 4 extra using a plastic is not easy. Okay, and we'll do the same for this one. So basically this is CLOUD-149. As you can see on the box here written CLOUD-149, and this is not a reptile version. It's another clone unit using what do you call this, ready to sky equipment. Okay. The FC is different, it's not red color, and the motor is another model actually, ready to sky. This is motor 1406, but it still looks good. Okay, thank you for watching.